Good morning. You are now rocking with the best. You. And I'm just your guide on this journey. Today I'd like to get in touch with the best of you and encourage you to plan to succeed, plan to heal, and prepare to fail. It's your boy Jay Journey. I want to send a happy birthday greeting to anyone that's experiencing a new day of life today. Today's focus is what you reach for.
Yeah.
And in this focus, I'd like to take a look at what it feels like to just take a look at the choices you've made in the past. Understanding that you've achieved a high percentage of what you've reached for.
Absolutely.
In developing this thought, I want to look at my journey to entrepreneurship.
Let's look at it.
My personal journey involved believing that this path was viable.
Yeah.
Now, I've believed this for quite some time. I'd say it probably started when I was around 34. As far as desiring my own business, that probably began in my late 20s.
Okay.
I always wanted to have a recording studio.
Why you ain't do it though?
That was my focus. That was my dream. I used to make music when I was in my 20s and late teens, and I've always been a strong and heavy music fan.
Okay.
With that being said, I wanted to get around other talented people and gifted people, knowing that my talent was yet developing and budding, but understanding that the inspiration that I drew from that was a passion of mine.
Yeah.
And perhaps you share a similar passion in some other field or industry. But with that being said, what you want to look for in your journey to entrepreneurship is the process of developing a faith and belief in yourself.
Gotta believe.
What's funny about entrepreneurship is that no one will hire you. You have to hire yourself. But even in the process of looking for work, looking for a job, you have to understand that, again, you are the vehicle. Your paycheck comes from a corporation or business owner. But in the process, the truth is you pay yourself through the decisions that you make every day that leads to that ultimate goal. No different with entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
The only missing detail is that you are now controlling and assigning your destiny to yourself. You are delegating tasks to yourself and others. And you're in the driver's seat. If you do nothing, you get nothing. If you do something, you reap the benefits of that steadfastness in that process.
True.
So what I want to focus on as we close today is that you are what you reach for. If you reach for a job, fantastic. You will probably get a job. If you reach for your dream, at some point you will draw closer and nearer to your dream.
Yes.
And if it's your goal to function and to operate at a higher level of parenting, or at a higher level in your marriage, at a higher level in your performance at work, you have to reach for it, because you truly are what you reach for. I know we always hear the old adage, you are what you eat, and that is true. We produce and we receive nourishment, or the lack thereof, from the things that we feed ourselves. Our sense of health and wellness, fullness and wholeness are a direct result of everything that we reach for.
Powerful.
So just want you to believe in yourself today. Know that I'm rocking with the best, and that's you.
That's you.
And please take a moment to just analyze what you reach for. I pray that you're blessed and that you have the best of life today.
The best of life.
Please come and see me tomorrow. It's your boy Jay Journey.
Out.